With 54,044 new cases reported across the country on Tuesday, the coronavirus infection has now affected over 7.6 million people in India. The Maharashtra government has capped the prices of N95, double and triple layer masks for suppliers and private hospitals in the wake of the Covid-19 pandemic. Covirap, a diagnostic machine developed by IIT Kharagpur researchers, has been successfully validated for its efficacy in Covid-19 detection by the Indian Council of Medical Research. After being shut for nearly 8 months, the Kaziranga National Park and Tiger Reserve in Assam has opened for tourists as of Wednesday. The Calcutta High Court has partially eased restrictions by raising the number of Puja Committee members who can enter a Durga Puja Pandal and also allowing drummers into no-entry zones. More than 40.8 million people have been infected by Covid-19 worldwide, while the death toll currently stands at well over 1.1 million. Cathay Pacific Airways will cut about 5,300 jobs based in Hong Kong and close its Cathay Dragon unit as part of a sweeping restructuring of the city's flag carrier triggered by the hit to air travel from the coronavirus pandemic. South Yorkshire in northern England will move into the very high lockdown tier on Saturday to tackle rising levels of Covid-19 infections. Australian authorities say that they are treating a Covid-19 case in the city of Melbourne as a rare reinfection. Amidst escalating street demonstrations in Bangkok, Thailand received a group of tourists from China on Tuesday, its first such arrival since commercial flights were banned in April to combat the coronavirus pandemic.